Good evening. I can see all your beautiful faces from up here. Welcome home to our celebrants. Palakpakan niyo naman po ang mga sarili niyo. And welcome home to our jubilarians. And welcome to Gina G sa SSAM TV, the St. Scholastica's Academy of Marikina 63rd Grand Alumni Homecoming. Palakpakan naman dyan. And as we bask on the warmth of fellowship tonight, I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you here. Okay, sabihin niyo po sa katabi niyo, welcome home. 1, 2, 3. That's right. Ngayon naman, sa kabila naman, sabihin niyo, welcome home. Yan. Ang sarap po sa pakiramdam na muli mong balikan ang iyong tahanan. Kaya naman, this is a celebration of ties that bind us for a lasting friendship you have shared through the years. Lumipas man ang maraming taon, ay hindi magbabago ang relasyon ng bawat isa. Kaya naman, the enduring spirit of St. Scholastica's Academy of Marikina ay nananatili sa inyong mga puso. Salamat din po sa ating dedicated faculty members and the school staff, and of course, our generous sponsors who have made tonight's festivities possible. Palakpakan naman po natin.